Food is more than just sustenance, it's a reflection of our history, traditions, and values. Every culture has its unique dishes that tell stories passed down through generations. Let's start with Italy, where pasta is a staple. In Italy, families gather around the table to share meals, celebrating togetherness and love. Each region has its own specialty, like the famous pizza from Napoli. Now let's travel to Japan, where sushi is an art form. Sushi emphasizes freshness and precision, showcasing the beauty of seasonal ingredients. It's not just about eating, it's about appreciating the craftsmanship behind each roll. Next, we head to Mexico, where food is vibrant and full of flavor. Tacos are a beloved dish that represents the rich heritage of Mexican culture. With endless fillings and toppings, tacos bring people together for lively celebrations. In India, spices play a crucial role in cooking. Dishes like curry are bursting with flavors and aromas that tell stories of regional diversity. As we explore these foods, we also discover the customs surrounding them. For instance, sharing a meal often symbolizes friendship and hospitality across cultures. So next time you enjoy a dish from another part of the world, remember you're tasting a piece of their story. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty journeys.